This year we've been growing grass. At least that's what it looks like. We've experimented with putting some clover and some winter rye, and we're gonna see if we can actually produce more soil, healthier microbial activity in the soil, and eventually just being able to plant right in there. We basically started with absolutely garbage compacted clay and have since put on quite a bit of cardboard, manure, all these different sorts of things. There she is. I haven't counted it off yet. So we're going to be trying a bunch of different experiments. All right, we are ready to terminate our cover crop. I'm going to stomp it down with a homemade board right here. I'm just going to pick it up and push it down, and then I'm going to tarp it like I did that. This is going to be an interesting experiment to see if this actually works. If it doesn't work, we may have weeds for the rest of our lives. But if it does work, we can finally start planting and have better soil. There you have it. So we will have this baby tarped up for 3 weeks and be directly planting the 1st of June. Smells a lot like old moldy hay. Let's see some of that mold. This corn are doing pretty well. Transplanted into this previous sheet. That's all got freshly seeded corn. And we're gonna go for the rows. And I'm about to lay down some soaker hose. Right, irrigation laid down. That hose is semi-buried. Took me about an hour. And now we're gonna direct sow. Here we are, a row of purple carrot, some beans on this side, and then a couple blocks of corn, some squash. We've got some wax melon. All right, here's our cover crop sheet mulching extravaganza. July 29th, 2023. Seeded a variety of melons, squash, beans, and corn. We are just getting into the season. Some beans. I sowed a bunch of rutabagas, nothing germinated, along with the carrots. And these are the corn that I transplanted. Transplanted them when they were about a foot long with their roots, at least. And they are amazing right now. Nice stalks on that, probably get 3